Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica. Thank you so much for clicking the link to watch my video. If you want to see how I got this easy Valentine's Day glam look, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm starting out using the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Love this palette, especially for V-Day. I'm using the color Real Gar in my crease, and I'm just going back and forth using windshield wiper motions and kind of blending out in small circular motions on the corner. Alright, and of course I'm always going to blend that out using a clean, fluffy blender brush. Now I'm going to deepen the color using red ochre, just to deepen the outer portions of my eye, to give it a little bit more color. And then I'm going to go in to deepen that with a little bit of Cypress Umber, not a lot because I want it to look a little smoky on the ends, but not a lot. And here I just changed the brushes. Now I'm going in with the eyeshadow Primavera to give it a little bit of pop. This is without using any glitter glue, and of course I'm going to always blend out my eyeshadows. Now you guys see me using my favorite Arison Lashes. I will link the ones that I use below. Of course, going in with my trusty but true Fiona Stiles matte foundation. This foundation is actually discontinued, so you can't get this anymore. I have a lot of people who comment on my video that I did, but you can't get it anymore. Alright, so going in using the Shape Tape concealer in the shade Deep, just doing my same highlight concealer things that I always do. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through that. Now I'm actually concealing my smile lines, and it actually has been helping. So I think I've solved the problem of having my smile lines show through right away. And I'm not sure where my smile lines came from, but it was only a matter of time. So I'm making this weird face because I'm trying to set my eyes without having like little creases because I have extra skin under my eyes. So yeah, and I'm just setting my face using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour using the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in Deep. This contour kit is kind of hard to blend out, so I might have to give it up and try a different kit that's a little bit more creamy, but the problem is if it's more creamy, then it makes my face look oily. But either way, it still takes me 10 minutes to blend it out. Now I'm going to set that contour using the Black Radiance Contour Kit in the darkest shade, and I'm just putting on just a little bit. And now I'm going ahead and wiping off all of my powder and mixing it a little bit with my Makeup Forever. Of course, I gotta do my infamous nose contour, and then I just blend it out with my fingers, and then I blend it out further off camera for you guys using a beauty blender and my fingers. Alright, so now I'm going to bronze using the CoverGirl Queen Bronze Collection bronzer. I love this bronzer, not putting too much because it'll make you look super red. Now I'm doing my eyebrow highlight. I don't ever usually do this, but for this look I'm going to. This is the Wet n Wild Illuminating palette. I love this palette because it makes you look luminescent without looking glittery. Now I'm doing my blush using the Black Radiance blush. And I'm highlighting using Le Bronze, okay? I put way too much on, then I had to blend it out. Let that be a lesson to you guys. And I was into my Prime Video. And I'm just going into my inner tear duct and using the Wet n Wild Illuminating palette. And of course, I gotta do my infamous nose highlight that I always do. And don't worry, I'm gonna blend it out further. This is just me initially putting it on. There we go. Prime Video. And now I'm going to mix two liquid lipsticks. We're almost to the finish line. Mixing the colored Raine Bachlorette with Mars. The trick with these lipsticks is to apply a very thin layer because they're very drying. And here I am mixing, and that is pretty much it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't mind my hair. I don't know what it's doing on one side. This is day 2 hair, but yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!